poolLUX Premier is designed to easily add elegance to any pool. An advanced LED lighting control solution combines power, color control, and dimming for pool and spa lights in a single system with a one-touch remote control. Available as a kit with Treo series lights. After connecting the Treo series lights, simply power it up and it's ready to use. You can use the poolLUX Premier to customize your pool lighting with 6 colors. The easy-to-use remote allows you to control the pool lights from up to 75 feet away. Features include 2 pre-programmed light shows, up to 49 color variations, and even adjust the brightness with its unique dimming control. poolLUX Premier. Simple, easy, elegant.